Hello class. Today's is our topic to related our letter to complaint. Actually, what happened? It's just only part of our letter writing. Already we have idea about it. Already I teach you. Even though just I feel that I have to pick out one best example from our last some years question paper. Throughout that one, I just pick one question. So just like to feel to explain in front of you that will give you some a more concept or clarification about the letter to complaint. Actually, that complaint letter. Okay, in shortly, if you are going to explain there as a complaint letter, so it may be you can write there as a customer. Suppose you are purchasing something. Suppose you are suffering from any kind of problems. Also, you can write a complaint letter. Now just in that example I observed that from since few years uh, different two three kinds of questions are there. They were repeated in questions or question papers. That's why I feel that I have to just shoot one video and just post in front of you. Okay, so today's topic is a letter to complaint. Actually, while you are going to write the complaint letter, so how to start? It's just only a structure. It's a structure of our complaint letter. While you are going to write the complaint, first one few topics are there. The sender's address. Actually, when you are getting the question, so you will get your name, your some idea or ABCD or XYZ any address. If not, again just you have to mention there as per our regular route XYZ or something. The downside, you have to leave one space, one line. You have to write there date, on which date, on which day you are going to write a letter. Okay, you have to write there. Next one, receiver's address. Already you will get that receiver's address in your question also. Suppose you have purchased any TV, any mixer, any washing machine, freezer, cooler or anything, so you will get that receiver's address in your question. So you have to mention there. Downside, subject. Suppose you have purchased there any kind of a material, and now that material, that thing is not performing in a proper way. So definitely two kind of expectations are there. You are expecting the replacement of that thing. If not, then you are expecting you have to complain to that particular manager, to that shop. Okay. Downside, the salutation, sir, ma'am, in this way you have to start your act. The body, in our next writing, just I'll explain body and complementary. Maybe yours faithfully or in that way. Okay, so just go ahead. First one, that some tips are there. It will help to you for increase the length of your writing. Maybe that some favorite quotations are there, some lines are there which will help to you to write the letter. Maybe you can write there, unfortunately your product has not performed well. Suppose in the last year or last month you purchased something, as per your expectation that material is not performing in a proper way. So you can start your writing with that line also. Maybe second one, to my dismay I have not required the product I adopts. Maybe, sir, I expect some different kind of a products, but you have sent me a different kind of products are here. Suppose you are that online delivery is there, online purchase is there via that some cards are there, Amazon, Flipkarts. So you will get that numbers and address also. So as complaint you can mention also there. I would like to draw your pay attention. It means the mistake was there. So related that mistakes you are going to mention there, sir. Please, you have to pay attention toward that one. That kind of some tips also there. I would appropriate if you replace or lend a replacement. It means now, sir, I am expecting that a replacement as it is, the replacement of my material. So I expect that your cooperation will be there as it is. This is insulting in many problems, or this is resulting in various problems. Suppose you can explain this, sir, as per the reputation of your shop in a market, your that product is not performing in a proper way, so it's insulting to me, or it will create some problems to you. So that kind of a word also you can mention there. Okay, so that kind of some downside also, 3 4, that kind of lines also there, so you have to mention. Just come to our main body. We are taking one example, the complaint about a machine or a replacement of a defective machines. So in which way you will get the question in your question paper and how to solve it? Just come to our place, please. Question number is there. Last month you purchased a TV set from Ram Electronics. I have already underlined here. What you have purchased? A TV set. From where? Ram Electronics. It means you have idea about the product. Second one, from where? Okay, Ram Electronics means you know the place where to write the letters. Where address is there? Ram Electronics, Pushp Vihar, Ambala. It is not working properly. What is the problem? The TV set is not working properly. Write a letter of a complaint in a 120 to 150 words to the manager. Write to the manager of that shop asking for a repair or a replacement. Okay, and you have to ask that person, give me the replacement. If not, then you have to repair it. The complaint about your machine. You are Amar or a Amrita. From your place, M11 4, Model Town, Ambala. So here also we have two addresses are there. First one senders, and the second one to whom you have to send there. Also you have subject. Okay, replacement of defective machines or the complaint about the machines. Suppose as per your expectation, your that machine, your that product is not properly working. So just you can mention there. So just come to our next one. Okay, that kind of a line is there. Question is there. Okay, now just come to our place. At the left sides, from the place to place. First one, as per the already discussed, you have to write there your address, M114, Model Town, Ambala, sender's address. Downside you have to leave one line. Downside, the date on which day you are going to write the letter. Okay, that date. Downside to whom? The manager. Already we explained there. The manager, Ram Electronics, Pushp Vihar, Ambala. What is our subject? Already upper side. Look there. A complaint about machines or a replacement of a defective machines. Downside, you have to mention their subject. Replacement of a defective TV set. Now just come to our point, please. There is downside. The salutation is there. Sir. Okay. After that, sir or ma'am, you have to comma there. Downside. Just come to our next line. I purchased TV set. What you have purchased? TV set. When? In the last month from your showroom. Against a cash memo number 4127 dated on 20th July 2017. 20th July 2017. The last month date is not on that particular day's date. Okay. But I regret to inform you that the TV is not working properly. Already I mentioned there. Okay. I purchased that product from you, but as per the expectation, that product is not working in a proper way. There are following problems such as you have to mention. At least you have to mention 2-3 problems which will make it clear the exactly doubts about it. Okay. At least 2-3 problems to related your problems also. Okay. Following problems are there. Such as this sound is not clear and the color TV becomes black and white. The TV starts irritating sounds. That 2-3 points are there. Now just come to our next one. You have to leave one line. downside, you have to start with your new paraphrase. I bought the TV on your assurance of its excellence working, which have all proved untrue. So till today, I heard the name of your showrooms. From that one, your that showroom is very demandable, very precious, and very valuable in the market, having a good reputation in the market. That's why I brought the TV on your assurance. Okay, but now I feel that is my mistake. I have tried to adjust the various control, but to no purpose. I also wait some time. I also try something in a proper way, in a different way. Also, sometimes we become a mechanics, but also it's not a working in a proper way. So what you have to do? Please send your expert engineers to rectify the fault since the TV is still in the guarantee periods. I request you to replace the TV if the fault is irreparable. Okay, if that problem is irreparable. Now we are expecting what we are expecting. What's our demand? Our demand is, sir, till today we are suffering from that kind of problems, and that product is under the guarantee periods. So first you have to send your some expert which will help me, which will help us. If not, then just do one thing. If it's faulty and it's irreparable, then just what you have to do, you have to replace it. You have to replace it to me. Okay, now you have to stop here. Next one, just come to a downside. The salutations body. Okay, the downsides, the end. Yours faithfully, Amar or Amrita. In that way, you have to mention there.